Welcome to this video on the new channel details section within Microsoft Teams. So I'm in one of my channels and you can see on the right hand side, if you don't have this now, you will have this shortly, and it's a new channel details panel. If it's hidden in the top right hand corner just below my picture, there is an icon, and when you hover over it, it says channel details. So if it's not showing, you can click on that one to open and close the details. And this just gives you a really great view of what's going on in your channel. So you can see who has access to the channel. You can see the description. You can see any posts that have been pinned really nicely in this channel details section. You have access to options in there. If you have the ability to manage that channel, if you're an owner, you can change the notifications and you can see any updates as well. So you can get a quick snapshot of what is going on in that channel on the right hand side. And like I said, if it's not currently visible, then you'll see a channel details button and you can turn it on and off to toggle it on and off. If this isn't visible right now, it will be visible shortly, depending on when your Teams gets updated. The other main change in channels as well, which is quite useful, is rather than having to scroll down to the bottom to add a post or an announcement, you've now got that feature right at the top there. So you can see I can add a new post or a new announcement just like I could before, but rather than it being at the bottom, it's right there at the top, making it much easier for you and everyone else to collaborate really nicely in channels. So that was just a quick video on that new channel details tab and the updated functionality within the channels in Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to check out the rest of the videos in this channel.